Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to access the rear shock absorbers on your Duster, you'll need to open the boot and remove several components. Start by folding over the back seat. Using a Torx T20 screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws from the upper plastic covering of the boot, then unclip it. Unscrew the upper plastic flange of the door covering. Shift it so that it doesn't hinder the next operations. Unscrew the upper plastic flange of the boot covering. Then, using a Torx T20 screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws of the plastic trunk covering. Then, using a Torx 40 screwdriver, unscrew the central screw holding the rear seats. Then, shift the plastic boot covering. So that you can change the back shock absorbers on your car, you must lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the rear wheels, raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the shock absorbers on your car. Using adjustable pliers, hold the stem of the shock absorber and unscrew the nut with a 13mm spanner. Remove the bushing. With a socket wrench and a 21mm socket, unscrew the lock nut holding the lower part of the shock absorber. You can now remove the shock absorber.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Fit the new shock absorber and unscrew the nut supplied with it. Remove the washer. Remove the bushing, then the washer. Put the new shock absorber in place using the upper part. Replace the suspension strut support bearing. Screw the top retaining nut back on. Finish off the tightening with a Torx wrench. Reinstall the various parts and screws on the boot covering. Slide the lower part into its housing and screw it back in. Finish off the tightening with a Torx wrench. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle putting it back on the ground before properly fixing them in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like
and subscribe.